Looking for AI apps that can genuinely improve your daily workflow in 2026. In this video, we're counting down 5 AI apps known for their practical features, productivity, and creativity. Watch until the end to discover which app earns the top spot on our list. At number 5, we have Claude by Anthropic, rated 4.4 stars, with over 593,000 reviews and 10 million plus downloads. It's one of the smartest AI assistants you can carry in your pocket. Claude isn't just for answering questions. It helps you write polished emails, social media posts, reports, and even long-form content while keeping your own writing style. If you're a programmer, it can review code, explain bugs, and help build projects in languages like Python and JavaScript. Need to research a topic? Claude can organize information, explain complex ideas, and help you understand data more clearly. You can even upload PDFs, screenshots, or photos, and it will analyze charts, extract text, or explain what's on your screen. And if typing isn't your thing, just use your voice. Claude supports natural conversations, making brainstorming and problem-solving much faster on the go. Millions of people use Claude because it's designed to be reliable, thoughtful, and easy to work with. Whether you're a student, creator, developer, or business professional, it helps you save time and stay productive without replacing your own creativity. Number 4 is Perplexity. Ask Anything, one of the smartest AI search apps you can use in 2026. With a 4.5-star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 100 million installs, it's quickly becoming a favorite for students, professionals, and everyday users. Instead of making you scroll through dozens of websites, Perplexity delivers clear, up-to-date answers in seconds. Even better, it includes cited sources, so you can easily verify where the information came from. Need to dive deeper? Its Pro Search feature helps you explore topics with more detailed responses. You can also ask follow-up questions naturally, making it feel like a real conversation instead of a basic search engine. Prefer speaking over typing? Just use the voice feature and get instant answers hands-free. One of the coolest parts is that it combines the strengths of leading AI models, helping provide fast, reliable, and well-organized responses for research, learning, travel planning, work, and everyday questions. If you're looking for an AI tool that saves time and helps you find trustworthy information faster, Perplexity is definitely worth checking out. Next, number 3, it's Microsoft Copilot, rocking a 4.5-star rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 50 million downloads. Copilot isn't just another AI chatbot. It's designed to help you work smarter, study faster, and stay creative every day. Need to write an email, summarize a long document, or brainstorm fresh ideas? Copilot can handle it in seconds. Students can create flashcards, take AI-powered quizzes, and learn difficult topics through personalized audio explanations. Creators will love the built-in AI image generation. Just describe what you want, and Copilot can turn your idea into unique visuals for presentations, social media, or creative projects. You can even upload photos for AI-powered analysis, ask questions with your voice, translate languages, proofread your writing, or plan trips and daily tasks, all inside one app. What makes Microsoft Copilot stand out is how it combines productivity, learning, and creativity into a single AI assistant that's easy to use for beginners and professionals alike. At number 2, we have Google Gemini, rated 4.4 stars, with over 38 million reviews and an incredible 1 billion downloads. That alone shows how many people trust it every day. Gemini isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to help with real-life tasks, whether you're planning your day, researching a topic, studying for exams, or organizing your work. One of its coolest features is Gemini Live, where you can have natural conversations and even share your screen or camera to get help with what you're looking at in real time. Need to summarize a PDF, analyze a spreadsheet, or understand a long document. Just upload your files and Gemini can explain the key points in seconds. If you're feeling creative, you can generate images, edit photos, brainstorm ideas, or even build simple websites and interactive projects using text prompts. It also connects with Google services like Gmail, Calendar, Photos, YouTube, and Search, making everyday tasks faster and more convenient. Some advanced creative tools and premium features require a paid subscription, but the free version still offers plenty of useful AI capabilities for most users. If you want a powerful AI assistant that fits naturally into the Google ecosystem, Google Gemini is definitely one of the best choices in 2026. Finally, at number 1, it's ChatGPT, one of the world's most popular AI apps. With an impressive 4.5-star rating, over 49 million reviews, and more than 1 billion installs, it's become a go-to tool for millions of people. What makes it stand out? You can ask questions, generate original images from simple text prompts, brainstorm creative ideas, summarize long documents, write emails, plan trips, or even practice a new language using real-time voice conversations. Need help with homework, work projects, coding, or everyday tasks? Just type, speak, or upload a photo. ChatGPT can explain complex topics in simple language, organize your thoughts, and help you get things done faster. Another great feature is that your chat history syncs across devices, so you can continue conversations whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer. It also supports image understanding, making it easy to analyze photos, handwritten notes, recipes, or landmarks. Whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants quick, helpful answers, ChatGPT offers a wide range of AI-powered tools in one app. Thanks for watching. Which AI app is your favorite, or did we miss one? Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more helpful tech recommendations